6 members of the city council demanding change.
This is just a professional cry out that we need immediate help.
As the brutal violence seems to continue almost every day in Baltimore. Councilman Eric Costello leading the charge, calling on the city-state's attorney Marilyn Mosby to lift the shield and provide transparency on her office and about staffing.
We view that the staffing levels at the state's attorney's office are something that are critically important. We need to make sure that we have the appropriate number of supervisors and line ASAs in order to prosecute the cases that BPD is bringing to the table.
Costello demanding detailed staffing updates for all prosecutorial units. In the letter, he says, quote, "It is my understanding that several of these units are currently understaffed for supervisors and ASAs by more than 50%. While it's unclear how many prosecutors are currently working in Mosby's office, she just posted this on Twitter, touting executive staffing boost. But the understaffed office is something Fox 45 News has been reporting for months. Nearly 6 months ago.
Over 100 experienced prosecutors have left the office during Marilyn Mosby's tenure, and they've been replaced by a lot of attorneys who have barely been practicing criminal law for 1 year.
And in February, these tweets from Baltimore Court Watch showing underprepared prosecutors and some prosecutors not showing up to their trials. The comments from the group of lawmakers in the city demanding more from Mosby's office come as the mayor and police commissioner toe the line of directly criticizing her and her prosecution policies.
Do you believe that Marilyn Mosby is a problem for law enforcement?
Listen, it's not my job to decide that.
Are you saying that the state's attorney's office isn't doing their job?
No, I'm saying that we, as I've said to you before, Mackenzie, that what we are doing, what I am doing is ending these generations of fingerprinting. Everybody can improve and must improve.
We sent questions to Scott and Harrison asking, are you afraid to criticize Marilyn Mosby and her policies? No responses. The two leaders not calling her out by name while the governor says politics are at play.
Do you think they're afraid to say it? Are they afraid of?
I mean, I just think they were afraid to support the tough crime bills. They're afraid to actually take actions that are going to get the violent criminals off the streets. And they're afraid to criticize the failures. I think it's just typical Democratic politics in Baltimore City.
All while the city is on track to surpass 300 homicides for the 8th straight year.